Red mud is the industrial solid waste produced by bauxite mine when extracting alumina. Every ton of alumina produced will produce 1 to 2 tons of red mud. A large amount of stockpiling not only occupies land resources, but also causes serious pollution to the environment. Sichuan Jianjie is a technology-based enterprise integrating R&D, production, sales and service. Jianjie Binder for briquettes of ore powder is a mixture of multiple environment-friendly polymer materials. It features high binding strength, high forming rate, high strength, quick curing, no pulverization, cost reduction, energy efficiency and environment friendliness. Briquettes are widely used as the furnace burden for the blast furnace, direct reduction furnace, cupola and gasifier. Our binder have achieved remarkable effects and results in practical applications, and have been recognized and praised by the majority of our clients. Please contact us for more solutions.